Okay, today we're here at Six Flags Magic Mountains holiday in the park. And I went to, let's see, it's called World Famous Funnel Cake Factory. And it's at the front of the park, right as you come in. And I got their s'mores funnel cake. So I see the graham crackers, crumbs, and then there's a chocolate drizzle, there's marshmallows, whipped cream, powdered sugar, and then the funnel cake itself. So let's try this out here. Okay, let's get marshmallows. Oh dear, and I lost the marshmallow. Okay, I think I got everything here. Ice cream is cold. I think the funnel cake's pretty fresh. Nice and soft on the inside and crunchy on the outside. This one is $18.99. And this is kind of one of their special ones for, I think, holiday in the park. I think their normal one is like a strawberry and then an Oreo one. Yeah, this is a really good one. It actually does taste like a s'mores. It's got the graham cracker crumbs. Oh, little tiny chocolate chips too. Itty bitty ones. And then marshmallows. So it's got the good s'mores vibe here going. So I'm going to give this one an A. Price isn't even too bad because, you know, you're got to be sharing this with at least 3 or maybe 4 people, right? Because this is way too much for one person. Way too much for 2 people even. So anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell and click on all to get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite, and I'll see you in the next one.